In this segment, we're going to talk about diagnosing fertilizer deficiencies, generally speaking, in garden plants, especially like tomatoes and peppers and things like that, by the color of the plant or the color of the leaves. Generally speaking, when you have a yellow plant, the leaves are not bright green, they have more of a yellow color to them, that's generally a nitrogen deficiency. Now, generally speaking, you don't put a bunch of nitrogen on a garden or on flowers even, because nitrogen generally spurs vegetative growth, not necessarily bloom production or produce production. So you don't usually put a lot of nitrogen on, so you don't usually have trouble with nitrogen deficiency in a garden, but it does occur. Also, in seedlings especially, when you say you've got tomatoes or green beans or something like that that are growing in less than ideal growing conditions, say they've germinated and they're just a couple of an inch or so tall, and you've got cool and wet conditions, a phosphorus deficiency can be a problem, and generally speaking the leaf will turn a purplish color or a dark color, won't be green. And then potash deficiency, generally speaking, instead of having a yellow plant or a green plant, you've got in between there, you've got a pea green kind of a plant from top to bottom. And a lot of times that will be a potassium deficiency.